Select the image generator from the left sidebar to explore options for creating images. Visit Prompt Library. Here we have over 150 optimized prompts across multiple categories. From the art style, rendering technique, subjects, or themes, we've got you covered. We'll start with optimized templates instead of blank prompts. You can switch among the best AI models, style, adjust aspect ratio, and refine the image with more advanced settings. The image is generated within seconds. Explore different AI models to find the one that best suits your creative vision. Use the negative prompt input box to exclude specific elements from your image. Click the copy link icon to easily share the generated image or download it. Additionally, you can use the Reuse Settings button to reapply the same configuration parameters for another image generation attempt. Click six-square icon. For an overview of all your generated images,